Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make card payments. We'll begin by exploring the various types of payment cards, like credit and debit, and their fundamental differences. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for choosing the right card for your needs. We will also touch upon the core security measures in place to safeguard your money, ensuring peace of mind with every transaction you make, whether it's a small purchase or a larger investment. When making an in-person payment, you'll typically either insert your card into a chip reader or tap it against a contactless terminal. For debit card transactions, you will then enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, to authorize the purchase. Finally, you might need to sign a physical receipt or confirm the transaction directly on the payment device, completing your purchase quickly and efficiently. For online purchases, you'll input your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code found on the back or front of your card. Always provide your billing address, which helps verify your identity and prevent fraud. Many banks now require two-factor authentication, like a code sent to your phone, adding an extra layer of security to your digital transactions. Protecting your card information is paramount. Never share your full card number, expiration date, or PIN with anyone. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements for any unfamiliar charges, reporting suspicious activity immediately. Furthermore, always use strong, unique passwords for any online accounts linked to your payments, and consider enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.